Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into chompshop.com, a platform known for its creative tools for kids, specially designed to transform everyday materials like cardboard into fun, educational projects. But is it worth the hype or the price? Alright, well let's find out. So what exactly is Chomp Shop? This online platform provides templates, kits, and tools that allow kids to build creative projects out of cardboard. Alright, as you can see here, think of it as a way to repurpose materials while sparking creativity. The kit includes design for items like costumes, masks, and playsets. Alright, perfect for artsy kids or educational activities. Now that we are on their website, let's not forget to talk about the pros and cons. And of course, let's start with the positives. Chomp Shop kits are great for fostering imagination and problem-solving skills in kids. Repurposing cardboard is a great way to recycle and reduce waste. These projects teach kids basic engineering, crafting, and design principles. Parents have noted that kids stay engaged for hours, making it a great screen-free activity. Also, the templates are straightforward and most projects are simple to assemble. Now, here are some areas where Chomp Shop might fall short. Many customers feel that the kits are overpriced, especially since they require you to provide your own cardboard. The end products are made from cardboard, which can wear out quickly, especially with active play. While great for younger kids, older children or teens might find the project less engaging. And also some reviews mentioned longer than expected delivery times, which can be frustrating. Alright, and by the way, here are their Instagram profile. It's a Chomp Shop. You can go ahead and look it up right here. Their sample videos and the samples of their product. And as you can see here on Reddit, which a thread which is created 5 days ago, one says here that it is a very cool product. I thought it was cool until I heard the price. It seems like something my kids would use a few times and get bored of rather quickly. And it goes a long way. Alright, going back, what is my take about this particular product? Alright, well, Chomp Shop or the chompshop.com has an innovative concept and offers a fun, eco-friendly activity for kids. However, the price point might be a barrier for some families, especially considering the durability issues. If you're looking for a creative project that's educational and environmentally conscious, it's worth considering, all right? But you might want to wait for a sale or promotion. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you found this review helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.